Alright, so first step is the cleanser. This is the AHA BHA Daily Cleansing Gel. This daily cleanser you're supposed to use AM and PM. It's also for all skin types, so we're gonna give it a try. Starts as a gel, it says. Oh my gosh, it is a gel, can you see? Whoa. It says it's soap and sulfate free. I'm not an expert, but I do know that soap and sulfate is supposed to dry out your skin. And this doesn't have that, which is good because my skin is already kind of dry. And even in texture, a little dull. It could be better. All right, so next up is the daily peel. This is a two-step process. All right, and the steps say exfoliate and smooth is step 1, and then anti-aging neutralizer is step 2. And they also let you choose the strength. I went with ultra gentle because my face can get a little red, as you can see. All right, so the last steps is the daily moisturizer. It says it has a dewy finish, which sounds amazing, and then it helps lock in all of the peel and cleansing that we've done previously. It's just 2 pumps, AM and PM, which just means it's effective, and I love that. All right, let's give it a go. See, that was so fast, it was so easy. All right, so it's been a week. This has honestly smoothed out a lot of the bumpiness and redness in my skin. It's very, okay, I should stop touching it, but it's very clean and smooth, but not dry.